today we are talking to Nikolai Bartsch, and you are actually showing us a new game today. What's the game called?
Yeah, that's right. Our game is called Memorrha. It's a first-person puzzle adventure, inspired like known titles like The Witness or The Talos Principle. And you have to explore varied environments and solve puzzles in them.
Okay. And what's special about this game compared to other games?
Special in the genre of puzzle games, is that you can take items and objects you find, you can use them in the whole world, and also solve later in the game puzzles with objects you find earlier. So it's after a while an open world.
Okay, okay. And now there are a lot of puzzle games, and you are an indie development studio, and you are working together with Corian. In which way, actually?
Yeah, Corian does the porting and publishing for the console versions.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, right. And Sticky Stone Studio, we are developing and releasing the PC version on Steam.
Okay, okay, see, okay. And so tell us a bit about the elements of the game. What makes the game so special?
The premise is that you go on a journey of discovery in the trails of an ancient culture.
Ah, okay.
And they developed some kind of special technology that made them progress. And the player can explore these technology and machines and activate them.
Mm-hmm. Did you have any role models for the game that you thought of when you started designing the game?
Regarding the art style, stylized games like Journey or The Witness or Rime inspired us very much. And regarding the gameplay, yeah, also Portal or The Witness or, yeah, like I said, Talos Principle was...
Oh, like Portal, okay. Yeah, Portal became pretty famous, actually, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
So it's a classical mobile game or not? Because you said that Corian is actually doing the porting to console, so it's usually a PC game that is played with a mouse?
Yeah, usually, but you can also play it with the controller on PC.
Okay.
And it gets ported to PS4, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch. Yeah.
Okay.
Not for mobile.
So it's not like a little mini game. It's a really full-featured thing.
Yeah, right. It's a full single-player experience, about maybe 8 to 10 hours of gameplay. Yeah, depending on how fast you get to know the puzzles. Yeah.
Okay. And are there any other titles you did before that you are known for, or is that one of your first products?
It's our first title that gets released. Before that, we only did some student projects together and prototypes. Yeah.
Okay.
But nothing that's in public.
So maybe we should look at the trailer that we will put in the video and tell us a bit about what we see there.
Yeah, you see the variety of puzzles we put in there. At the beginning of the games, the puzzle starts very simple. You only activate single energy signals, which get combined with a logical operation. And later in the game, this logic is applied to whole patterns.
Okay.
And afterwards, these patterns get meanings like numbers or directions. Yeah.
And interestingly, we already have a publish date, so the game is already fully finished.
Yeah, that's right. We're in the last run of polishing.
Wow.
So yeah.
Those are very colorful scenery. It reminds me a bit of Link games from the Switch, for example.
Yeah.
It is outdoors in a fantasy world.
Yeah, you're right. We try to create a stylized style because there's also production reasons that we can handle it in a small team.
Okay.
And also we tried to create per area a different mood and different lighting, different emotions that you get the player feels.
So the trailer looks a bit like it's not like a game full of inhabitants, but you are alone in the open world.
That's right. Yeah.
And your task is to escape somewhere, or
not escape, but discover what made this place special, or what was the culture like that lived there, and and created
okay.
these machines.
So you are coming to an alien world, basically.
Yeah. It's open. It's not defined that it's on Earth or
Interesting. And this actually looked like Tetris stones in the riddle.
Yeah, right.
I guess that's a coincidence.
It was not a goal to exactly reproduce these things.
Interesting.
But it's a funny fact, yeah.
So as a retro player, I would compare to Myst, maybe?
Yeah, it was also inspiration. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
The kind of feeling you get when you
Are lost in an alien world.
lost and explore machines. Yeah.
Wonderful. And this thing looks a bit like No Man's Sky in a way.
Okay. So yeah, maybe there's a similarity in the art style. Yeah.
Especially, except the color pattern. I mean, No Man's Sky was known for the extremely strange color pattern.
That's right,
but
yeah.
you are more the normal nature look like.
Yeah.
More like a Zelda game, I would say.
Yeah. We also have some purple areas and more vibrant colors. But per area the color scheme is very focused on one mood. Yeah.
I can see on the pictures that you have like temples that were destroyed with stairs. So it's like a planet that was with humans or alien races before and was deserted in a way.
And there lived, like I said, a specific culture that created these temples.
Yeah.
And you can explore them. And
wow.
During the gameplay, you also discover bits of the story. Yeah. And what happened with the people there.
And the development studio is Sticky Stone.
Sticky Stone Studio, yeah.
But that's a coincidence.
It's based on an inside joke because before this project I had to model a lot of stones for Maya the Bee, the movie. And after that, Memorrha started and I again had to model a lot of stones, so they kind of stick to me.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Interesting. So you hope this will be a hit, obviously. Do you have anything you still want to work on, or is this project totally finished now?
It's nearly finished. Some sound effects are still missing, and finding the last bugs and polish the last bits of it. But the content is finished. Yeah.
And weren't you afraid that there are so many puzzle and adventure games out there that you could go under in the masses?
The thing is, when we started the project, we didn't think about how to market it or even sell it. It was not the point at the start of the project. We hope it will get successful. We will see.
And you are also saying at the beginning you are focusing also on a release on the consoles. I guess it looks like a typical Switch title because Switch actually got known for a very big variety of indie games and puzzle and strategic games.
Right.
So you are totally fitting into that scheme.
Right. Still some work to do, but it's planned to release it there.
Now the question is, you said you have effects and graphic style. Do you plan to not have to scale it down too much for the Switch or other consoles because a PC is stronger than a console?
That's right. I think especially for the Switch, there has to be some performance optimization. Sure. Maybe we will see it how we handle this. Maybe the length of view has to be reduced. Yeah, we have to test it out. Yeah.
But in generally, you plan the game to be the same in all platforms.
Yeah. It's the same.
Okay.
The same gameplay and length. Yeah.
Now you said it will be released at the end of September, but that's just for the PC, I guess.
Yeah,
the console is coming later.
That's right. It's coming. Hopefully also this year, but 1 or 2 months later. Yeah.
So more towards Christmas.
I can't say a specific date yet, but
of course.
Plan, at the end of the year, I think.
Looks very interesting. Thanks for taking the time and talking to us.
Thank you.
And good luck with your project.
Thanks.